Hey people, look at this. That is so good. Again, from the restaurant of Lyon. And I know you can't see it much, so I'm gonna try to put it back, to get it back so you can see it. I hope you can see it. But this is so good. Sorry, rock and roller, I know you don't like this. But trust me, this is good. The guy is good, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, the guy is good. Way better than us. Way better than us. So good. And I got some other pills today for my stress attacks, for my anxiety. And believe it or not, I think they're working. Thank God. I feel like myself again. And guys, I'm going live tonight. And maybe I will try to do it a little bit early. Okay? Don't pin me down on any time, please. I will get back to you. But this? Sorry about that, guys. This is so good. So deliciously good. Amen. Heaven praise that man. He sure knows how to cook. Man. That's good. I have to end it now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you tonight, by the way. I'm going live. See ya.